Carpentry is one of the oldest skilled trades and is still widely required in modern construction. It involves the cutting, shaping, and installation of wood for buildings and other structures. Trigonometry is related to triangles and most of its concepts are derived from this shape. This concept will help simplify human work.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I wanted to introduce about my project. This project is about trigonometry. Trigonometry and how we apply this method in carpenter. First of all, this is our project.
In particular, the project was made using box and ice cream stick. The roof of this project is made of box and plastered with ice cream stick. The main frame of project is made using cardboard and supports using ice cream stick to strengthen the whole project. To give a little finish to this project, we cut a rope to use as a nest. We create two bases in this project, which is main base and support base. The main base made using cardboard, while the support base made using box support by the ice cream stick.
What are the benefits of trigonometry? Benefit of trigonometry can be used to roof a house, to make the roof incline in the case of single individual bungalows, and the height of the roof in building.
How to calculate the trigonometry of this project? First, we must to draw this project. measure the height of the house. We will use the trigonometry method. We will mark this point with A, this point B, and this point C. Next, we will draw the starting point of the point. We want to find the height of this house. Then after measuring, the width is 10 cm and its angle we use 45 degrees. First, write a 45-degree tan formula equal height over width. Next, tan 45 degrees equal K over 10 cm. 1 equal K over 10. K equal 1 times 10 and the answer is 10 cm.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera to our lecturer Puan Intan Farah Dina. Today I want to give some speech about trigonometry. Trigonometry is used in many other carpentry applications including site layout tasks that require making angular measurements. These tasks might include laying out building, foundation lines, and determining elevations by trigonometry. Leveling trigonometry is very useful in determining the amount of side a specified triangle. In this fieldwork activity, the concept of right triangle in trigonometry is very well used. By the way, we can apply this in trigonometry, which is foundation for house, calculating the bridge, determine the roof structures, and etc. In determining the height of many building, we are able to master the reading of the vertical angling, the theodolite. Also, in this field work activity, we are able to apply the knowledge learned in the analysis of right triangles. In determining the height of remote point, trigonometry doesn't end in passing the trigonometry subject, and we will use it always in our engineering careers. This is why we choose this topic. With this topic, we obtain a lot of ideas and suggestions for us and shape an object into a more interesting object. Before I end my speech, I want to say that I am thankful to have a potential group like them, and not forgetting that we love Puan Intan Farah Dina, our lecturer, who helped us a lot in this subject. With this, I would like to say thank you from us. Thank you.